activity. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's Friday and today is the day that the BSU will be presenting, hosting, producing the Black Student Assembly. This year's theme is Wrinkle in Time. I'm very excited about it. Yeah, so today's video is just going to be a vlog, and I guess I'll just show you like my whole day from like the morning till BSA. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, we're gonna start the video. I'm just gonna bum it out today because I have class from 9:45 to 6, and I just don't feel like dressing up right now. I'm gonna dress up tonight, so it really doesn't matter if I dress up now because I'll be popping tonight. I got this really cute elephant poster. I'll insert it here. Aww. And after that I had to go to Wells Fargo because there was a purchase made that I did not make on my card, so I had to go do a fraud claim. By the time I was done calling the people and all that stuff, I ended up missing my organic chemistry lecture. My money is more important than me going to class because I need that money to pay for my class. I only have one more class today. It will be bio lab. After that, I'll be quickly rushing to get ready for BSA. I get out of lab at 6. The doors for BSA opens at 6 and the show starts at 7. I'm going to have to rush from my lab to my apartment, to my dorm, to quickly change and then go to BSA. My makeup is going to be done now, so I don't have to work on my makeup, just gotta get changed. Let's see how this goes. Guys, I'm very upset. I was putting on mascara and this happened. I'm almost done. I have class in like 40 minutes and I have to like leave in like 10 minutes. And I am currently in a huge rush because it is 2:30, well almost 2:30, it's 2:27, and my lab is at 3 o'clock and I have to catch a bus to get to my lab class. I'm not even sure where my lab class is at, so that is just great. I look crazy.
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood.
I got so blessed because I was the first person to finish my lab. It only took me an hour, so that gives me about 2 hours to get ready for BSA, so I can put my lashes on, finish my makeup and all that stuff, and I'll probably be there on time, so I'm really excited about that.
Terrific year, and it is great to be a Florida Gator.
officially over. It was such an amazing production. The amount of support and love that was in that auditorium was amazing. The entire audience was cheering, clapping, and you know, we're just all just embracing, just taking in all this Black excellence that is here at the University of Florida. I just love the energy here, the energy that the Black community has, because we are a small community. The energy that the Black community, I can't say that word. The energy that the Black community, I can't say community. Why was it so hard? The energy that the Black community have for UF is just amazing and loving and so supportive. Honestly, like, they really do try to make you feel at home. It's your home away from home. And I loved every single performance, and it was just so much love and positivity and Black radiance. It's just class of 2024 and beyond. You know, don't be scared to apply here. Like, definitely apply to University of Florida because it's just amazing here. Sometimes. Yeah, there are some challenges here, but the good outweighs the bad sometimes. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. So if you liked this video, this vlog, make sure to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Share it on your social media. Like, you know, support me, guys. I'm definitely planning on doing more vlogs. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. That feels amazing. Ow. Ow. Okay. That's not working. Oh, freedom. Why am I still recording?
Must have asked for